Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video to let you know that Microsoft is planning a major visual overhaul of the Windows 10 operating system in the second half of this year. Now, apparently it's going to include a massive user interface upgrade, and it's code named Sun Valley. Also, Microsoft has been advertising for a new job posting. And the job posting, in a nutshell, is basically to make Windows look better. This is a big change that's coming, and as I said, it's in the second half of the year. And since 2015, when Microsoft released the first version of Windows 10, there have been small visual upgrades and updates to the operating system. Like little start tabs that now are the same color, and transparent icon labels now. Little visual upgrades, but still there's a lot of overlap between the old legacy and the new look of Microsoft. And basically the big changes coming with this update apparently are going to fix the way Windows 10 looks, and things are going to look a lot more uniform. For example, if you go to Control Panel, it looks legacy, and then if you go to settings, it's a more modern user interface. So I hear they are employing somebody to basically unify the look and feel of the operating system, to give it a more modern update and to unify the way things look, a more universal and visual cosmetic look. The first update coming in this year in 2021. The first one will be called the major update for Windows, and which is basically going to be a cumulative update. That's going to be called 21H1. That's for the first half of this year. That's not the major update. That's just the first. Microsoft has two major updates every year, and last year it was in May, and then again in November. Now this year the first one is going to be called 21H1, and then the major update, which is the one we're talking about today, that's going to include the major visual overhaul, is going to be called 21H2, and that is coming sometime in the second half of this year. And I've also heard that the start menu is going to be more unified. The file explorer is going to have a more modern look and approach and feel, and the apps, or the built-in Microsoft apps, are going to be more modernized and consistent across the theme of Windows. A lot of them at the moment are some of them, the look is very different between a lot of the apps at the moment. And I hear Microsoft is wanting to modernize and make them look a bit more consistent, across the board. And then obviously this also includes sliders and buttons and controls are also going to be updated in this update. So that is something to look forward to the next, the second half of this year, where Microsoft updates Windows 10 to a more modern and consistent look, and giving it a major visual overhaul, which I think, where we now 2021, it was first released in 2015, that's 6 years, where, as I said before, slight upgrades, but never a major overhaul in the visual experience and usability of Windows 10. So that is something to look forward to. I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.